Welcome to the not-so-serious side of sipping, introducing warning wines by Hart of Africa, where the labels shout louder than the tannins and the warnings are just as bold as the blends. Each bottle comes with a mandatory, "Don't say we didn't warn you" label, because in South Africa, it's the law to warn you about alcohol, but nobody said we couldn't have fun with it. Whether it's "don't drink and gossip" or "may cause spontaneous dancing," these cheeky wines bring laughter to your glass and flavor to your stories. Crafted from top-notch local grapes and blended for maximum drinkability and minimum snobbery, warning wines are perfect for gifting your most sarcastic friend, serving at barbecues, book clubs, or breakups, collecting labels more honest than your ex. So go ahead. Pop the cork, read the label, and prepare to be lightly offended and highly entertained. Heart of Africa, bold wines. Even bolder warnings. Available in English and Afrikaans.